Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to use Flowith as a complete beginner in less than 4 minutes. Let's jump right in. Step 1. What is Flowith? Flowith is an AI-powered workspace that helps you organize ideas, generate content, and automate tasks, all in one place. Think of it like a mix between notes, mind mapping, and AI tools. Step 2. Sign up and dashboard. First, go to the Flowith website and create an account. Once you log in, you will land on your dashboard. Here you will see your workspace where you can create flows, which are basically structured projects or idea boards. Step 3. Create your first flow. Click on New Flow, give it a name like YouTube Ideas or Study Notes. Now you'll see a canvas where you can add blocks. Each block can be text, AI prompts, or connected ideas. Step 4. Use AI blocks. Click the plus button and choose an AI block. Type a prompt like generate 5 YouTube video ideas about fitness. Hit generate and Flowith will instantly give you results. You can edit, expand, or connect this block to others. Step 5. Connect ideas. One of Flowith's best features is linking ideas together. Drag from one block to another to create a connection. This helps you visually organize your thoughts like a mind map. Step 6. Organize and customize. You can move blocks around, rename them, or group them. Use this to build workflows, for example, idea, script, final content. Step 7. Save and access anytime. Everything is saved automatically. You can come back anytime and continue building your workflow. Pro tips: keep your flow simple at first, use clear prompts for better AI results, connect related ideas to stay organized. And that is how to use Flowith as a beginner. Super simple, and once you get used to it, it becomes very powerful and really useful. If this helped you out, please don't forget to support us with like and subscribe. Share this video to your friend. Turn on the bell icon to get all the new videos to softwares like this. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.